Hey everybody, it's your girl Christiam and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, today I'm going to show you guys my morning routine. This is somewhat of how my day goes. I'm just kind of lounging around in my bed, relaxing. I eventually get up and start to get ready for my day. So the first thing I like to do, you guys, is brush my teeth and wash my face. I think it's just so necessary to make sure your breath is fresh and you got to clean your face off because you have crust in your eye or whatever it is. Yeah, so you'll see me washing my face here, you guys, and I'm just cleansing it off with a nice hot towel because I do have my lash extensions added on, so I can't just throw water on my face while I am cleansing it off, cleaning off the soap, you guys. So once I'm done washing my face, you guys, I'm actually going to brush my teeth. And I'm going to prep to get my little self right on in that shower because your girl got to stay so fresh and so clean. Yes. So you guys, I'm going to hop into the shower really quick, take a nice hot shower. I'm going to hop out of the shower and I'm going to get my lotion on so I can prep for my day. Yes. And so here, you guys, I'm putting on some spray deodorant by Dove. This is like the best deodorant, you guys. Like, it's phenomenal. And as you guys know, or in my previous video, I'm using this cocoa butter lotion. It's really good for the skin, especially during the winter season when your skin is the driest. So I'm prepping my breakfast for this morning too, you guys. I'm going to have an oatmeal, 2 boiled eggs, and a cup of coffee. I'm really trying to keep my eating habits really clean, you guys. Go back to my clean eats, you know, no processed foods, nothing like out of the ordinary, just mainly at home cooking, and just, you know, detoxing my body, because sometimes you need that nice detox to kind of get you back on balance, you know, especially since seeing that I haven't worked out in a few days. Like, it's so necessary to detox at this point. So I'm just prepping my breakfast for the day, you guys. All right, you guys, so once I'm done eating, I am going to finish prepping. I'm actually going to be doing my hair and my makeup right now. So if you can see me, I'm actually prepping my eyebrows, you know, getting them nice and right. And I'm actually adding some nice waves to my hair just to kind of give me some life, give me some body, you guys. I'm out doing a little bit of Christmas shopping. I'm back home in Ohio, you guys, with my sister. Say hi. Hi. So yeah, you guys, so we're gonna do a little bit of Christmas shopping today. Honestly, we're probably gonna be out tomorrow as well. It's just so much going on in my life at this point in my life. So we're gonna go and do a little bit of shopping, you guys. I don't know, maybe let's go like in Forever 21 because I need something to see, like for Ashley. So yeah, so I'm gonna be shopping for my sister and my daughter and my mom. So just grabbing a lot of different stuff, you guys, for them for the holiday. Oh my gosh, this is so cute right here. This is so cute. Isn't it cute? You know, I have my BCBG. It's like this, similar to this. This is so fab, you guys. This is not cute.
Maybe under the jacket.
Oh, look at this stuff.
That's cute.
The fur. This is cute. But you know, I want a black one like this, like, because I have an outfit. Yeah. No, it is different. Look at these bodysuits. I like this.
That lace one down right there.
Which one? This one. I like this. This is really cute. Alright guys, so while I'm in town, I'm going to be doing a little bit of work. And I'm super excited that they were able to even change over this platform for me so that I'm able to do some work, because my life is very hectic and busy and I have to kind of keep the routine going and going and going. So that means I get to shop a little bit longer, although I want to buy stuff for me and I'm not going to be able to because I have enough stuff already.
Selfish and greedy.
I'm not being selfish. I just had Forever 21 had cute stuff that I didn't even see in LA that they have here, so I'm like super excited and I really want everything. But we're going to hop to Justin. We're going to hop to Justin to get my daughter some stuff from there because she's a really good kid and yeah, like this is her favorite store, you guys. They have like some really good deals in the stores and I'm like super excited, especially like in Justice. Like if you guys have kids and you have girls, check out Justice. They have like additional 50% off of like all of their like sale and clearance things, and then they also have like 30% off their certain select items in their store. So, and then Forever 21 has 30% off, you guys. So if you're still like shopping for Christmas gifts from Forever 21, they have like really cute sweaters, a lot of different cute things. But they anyways, it's gonna be all state around, I'm pretty sure. So you guys definitely check out those two stores. They really have cute stuff. Forever 21, they are coming up in the game. As you guys know, I've already spoken about this before. Forever 21 is coming up, I'm telling you. So Fashion Nova better watch out. You guys, I'm gonna call this balling on a budget Christmas shopping because these deals are just so good. Like, I just came up with that caption, like balling on a budget. Like, it's real out here, you know? But these deals are like super, super good. I'm never coming to the mall with her ever again. She's gonna try to leave me because she wants to hurry up and go.
Don't be telling that. No, she's doing a YouTube vlog.
She did. So I'm never coming to the mall with her ever again. Never. You should do it. Yeah, you should do it. Yes, exactly.
You're gonna be shy. Yeah, I'm shy too.
Take it out of your element.
Don't be afraid.
So now I'm gonna grab me a pretzel. No, she's gonna try to leave me.
I should have left her.
Thank you guys so much for tuning into this channel, and Merry Christmas. I hope you guys have a great Christmas. If you're not subscribed, you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the side so you are alerted when I upload new videos.